I'm Heather Gittens, and I'm going to be coming to Edmonton this June for the NHPC's conference on the Radiant Life. I'm going to be teaching two different courses. On day one, we're going to be studying the sphenoid and what I call the sphenoid gateway. We're going to look at all of its articulations and connections, both near and far, and how those can be incorporated into our practice. On day two, I'm going to be looking at the respiratory diaphragm. I want us to really examine the anatomy of the diaphragm and its relationships to the thorax, the lungs, the rib cage, the viscera, cardiovascular system. And of course, as manual therapists, what is our role and how can we actually access the diaphragm, mobilize it to aid our patients to become more embodied in their breath, and how they can move forward with more ease and harmony within their system. So I'm really looking forward to the full conference, and I hope to see you there.